Students, today you'll be watching the first year practical 4, in which you are titrating sodium carbonate against sulfuric acid. And for that, first what you need to do, the precautions are that you check whether the burette is working properly. For that, as you can see on your screen, I've added water just to make sure that the funnel is proper in this burette, and it is. There is no water seeping. Now I'm going to pipe it out 10 ml of base, and in my burette I have already filled in my acid, that is sulfuric acid, and now I'm pipetting 10 ml of sodium carbonate. You know, sodium carbonate is a primary standard. What are primary standards? Primary standards are those solutions whose concentrations are known and do not degrade with the passage of time. I am adding methyl orange. Methyl orange is orange or yellow in basic medium, which is right now of the conical flask. And as I would add on acids, surplus amount of acid will convert the color to red. Methyl orange is also known as acid red because in acid it gives red color. So as you can see on your screen, I'm keep on adding, drop wise adding the acid into the conical flask, and till I get a permanent red, I am adding, drop wise adding the acid, and now I've had it. I've got my result. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.